Tired of your Ethereum Meta ETHM just sitting in your Coinbase wallet? Let's get it moving. First, open your Coinbase Wallet app and locate Ethereum Meta in your asset list. Make sure Coinbase Wallet supports Ethereum Meta withdrawals. If it's not listed or doesn't have a send option, you may not be able to withdraw it directly. Tap on Ethereum Meta and then select the send option. This will initiate the withdrawal process. Now, carefully enter the recipient wallet address in the to-field. Triple check that this address is correct and compatible with the Ethereum Meta network. Sending to the wrong address could result in permanent loss of your ETHM. Seriously, pay close attention here. This is the most critical step. Next, enter the amount of Ethereum Meta you wish to withdraw. Take a look at the network fee being charged for the transaction. This fee goes to the Ethereum Meta network to process your transaction. Coinbase Wallet should show you this before you proceed. Finally, review all the details on the confirmation screen: recipient address, amount, and network fee. Once you're absolutely sure everything is correct, confirm the transaction within the app. Your Ethereum Meta is now on its way. Keep in mind, it may take some time for the transaction to be confirmed on the Ethereum Meta blockchain.